Hello everybody, it's Michelle and I've got a really quick and easy punch art project for you guys today. You may have seen my recent video where I did a washcloth fish for the guest room, and that was so much fun, and that got me just kind of on a little bit of a kick of fish for a summertime theme, and I wanted to do a punch art fish. So I'm using simple basic shapes as I always do. Sometimes I use punches, sometimes I use dies. I really like to use dies because they come in so many different sizes. And you can buy the basic ones for really cheap and use those basic shapes for so many things. So here I've got this tree set, and you can see these sort of cartoonish treetop shapes. And I thought that was a lot of fun. And I really just bought it because they were very basic shapes that I can use on other things. You may have seen these were used as snowman arm branches in one video. And this is my bow die set. And I decided to take the ribbon tail piece and pair it with this teardrop shaped treetop. And that would create my fish. And I thought that was a lot of fun. They both have the stitched edge detailing, so it's going to look really good when I put them together, and I can't wait to show you guys. It goes together so quickly and it's so simple. So I've got an orange one here, and I just cut that out of a little scrap of an orange watercolor cardstock that I had. I've got another one in sort of blue greens, and I cut that out of a scrap that I had of sort of a bokeh background. And I was playing around with this piece here. I cut it out where it's more bluish on one end and more greenish on the other. And the greenish one would match better with the color of the rest of the fish. But I decided I like that darker blue one for a little bit of a different tail color. And in addition to those, I've just got a couple of 1/4 inch googly eyes. And like I've said before, you guys could use a little black jewel for the eye. You could cut out circles with your hole punch, whatever you want to do. I love using the googly eyes. I think they're so much fun. And there is nothing simpler, you guys. I'm just going to use this end of the ribbon tail from my bow as something to adhere the rest of my fish to. And that just hides behind, but it really gives a nice large surface area there to glue to. Same thing on my blue-green fish. I really love when punch art projects can come together really simply like this. Actually, I think I want to make that a little shorter. I'm going to peel it off and glue it up a little closer. Nobody's ever going to see that back side, so that's okay. Just put that glue on there and adhere it right back down, shortening that tail a little bit. I think these are so cute and so simple. Just a little dot of glue on each one. I tell you what, let's flip this one around so he's swimming in the opposite direction, just to mix it up a little bit. I'll stick that googly eye on, and one on this one. And you can take a pen and draw in a little mouth. And there are your little fish, just that quick and easy. I think they're so cute. So you guys could play around with this idea a little bit and look for some different punches and dies that you could do this with. Anything teardrop or raindrop shaped, leaf maybe, something like that. And just look through what you've got in your punches and dies and see what could have these kind of basic shapes that you could use for a fish. If you want to use the ones that I did, I'll have the links in the description below for those sets. They're unbranded sets and very inexpensive, and those are my favorite because I like to collect as many dies as I can, and the more inexpensive they are, the more I can have. They're just a lot of fun. You guys know that I love die cuts and I love these little fishes. I think they're so cute. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you liked them too, and let me know what other ideas that you come up with to create a punch art fish. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have all of those listed in the description below as well, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.